This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, TV, stovetop burner, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, LP detector, skylight, smoke detector, DVD player, air conditioning, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.